Hello, this is going to be a bit of a tutorial or a walkthrough on stacked layer audio kit bashing. And I am using the NPC's Enemy Kit 1 to show off some of the, I guess, the methods behind what I did for designing the audio kit bash on these NPCs. The NPC Enemies Kit is now almost at 7,000 downloads. And the audio kit bashing was one of the big aspects to creating these NPCs, at least really making them pop out and extra audio oomph effects. So right out for the gate, I have the mutant alien raptor. I already have him dragged out, and I'm going to drop in game here. And you can drop in game, and I like doing this for like testing in general. This is a really good shortcut combination. Use your shift and hit your equal sign. Oh, I'm already dropped in. What am I talking about? Actually, I'll just do that. I'll back out. So if you use shift and equal, you can drop right into the game wherever your camera's positioned at. So if you hear this guy, he kind of has like this evil sound, evil beast sound, and then like another like almost cute laugh, kind of like a little lamb or a little creature that's going to like eat you alive, and the other one sounds like it's going to swallow you whole. So I'll show you, and this one is really simple to do actually, because it takes a little while and some experimentation, but I kit bashed these audio for this NPC using two audio assets. Creature, beast, reptile, snarl, O1, SFX, and creature, beast, reptile, high snarl, O1, SFX. So I'm going to make sure that effects are applied so you can actually hear. And that's kind of like the cute little one. But I did like move the pitch down, even though it's like a higher pitch by default. I do have the pitch shifted down. And this one, I also have the pitch shifted down. So this one here, this audio asset is what gives it like that evil, wicked, like it's going to swallow you alive, swallow you up whole. And this one gives it kind of like the cute. So I really thought it was interesting to play with the contrast between an almost cute, evil sounding beast to like a very deep, larger than life sounding beast. And yeah, so up next I am going to show the green slime hellspawn. I really loved working on this guy. He took quite a bit of time to put together for the audio kit bashing, and I'll show you here in a minute what all went into him. But first I'm going to drop in using shift and equal. So he has kind of like the ghost sound and some water effects going on. And the further you get away from him, it's just down to like these ghost sounds. But the closer you and him get, the louder everything gets all of a sudden. It becomes more intense, the audio effects do. So take a look at him. And when I did all of these, I put the all the audio assets into the client context on the NPC, just for performance and efficiency. So here's the water, and here's the ambient underwater, and here's the magic dark ghostly voices spellcast 01, and I reused it again. So let's turn the visibility gizmo on, and that's hitting the V key right in the editor here. So as you can see, I have two of these set to the same radius and fall off, and I have the other two are set to the same radius and fall off, but each one is different. So anything with like the water was designed to be closer in, and everything here is designed to be farther away. So it's kind of help build the suspense or build the fear or the threat. I guess threat is a good word. By using or kitbashing together the audio in this way. So at a far away distance, I'll hit the preview. So one of the big things I did, because I'm using the same audio asset, but I have changed the pitch on each. As you can see here, 1,586 basically, and this one's like 79 or 80 for the pitch. That's the higher pitch, and that's the lower pitch. And I always tend to go, when I'm stacking audio, to try and make it unique or stand out between the higher and lower pitches, or higher and lower sounds, which are layered together. The water, whoops, if I get inside this here, because it's on the preview audio. That's where the effects applied. And this one's like a general ambience. There's like a constant watery effect. And I really did this to kind of match all the bubbles or the water look that's going on. So that's one of the big tricks I think in soundscape design or kitbashing, is to kind of get the visuals and the audio to match up. I just love how it has its own randomization in here. So that adds a certain dimension. So again, I'm going to drop in. So I was giving that a moment so you could actually hear the audio, the kitbash audio. So I'm going to exit out. But yeah, if you want, you can download the NPC Enemies Kit, offering community content, and take a closer look at how I constructed the audio. I just wanted to go over this since it's stacked layered sounds, and they were really easy to do since the I just had to hit like autoplay and put everything on repeat. Um, and I wanted to talk a little bit about what I was thinking when I was working on the kit bashing here. And it really is a lot of trial and error of like trying out a lot of different audio assets from the core audio library. Uh, so it's kind of experimentation and playing around, which I encourage anybody to do. But anyways, have a great day or a great game,